Welcome to the Iinkling demo video. We're going to take a look at Iinkling software by Lock and Key. First thing is we will open up our display window, and that is going to get dragged over to your second screen. However, you can see that there is a preview window for you on your screen. Next thing we're going to do is load a profile. So I'm going to load up a profile I have here called Locker Room. It's going to load up the clues, the settings that I've preset, the background image, and all the media elements. So the first thing you'll do is you'll go down to Time Controls and hit Start to start the timer. What's great is the timer will show on the screen and display window for just the room runner, or it's also on it for the players. Then, once you have a hint that you want to deliver, you go over here in the library and you select it and you double click it, and it will show up over on the display screen. And then once you're done with it, you can clear it. If there's not a hint in the library that you want to use, you can type in your own. So I will type under look under the fan and send that over, and it automatically adds that to the hint library, so you have that in the future. At the end of the session, you can save your hints or just let them go into the ether. Let's say a group is not doing very well when they're not looking at the clock. You can add a minute or 10 seconds back in by hitting those buttons there. Now we're going to stop the clock, and you'll notice the profiles we can load or save once the clock is stopped. Now we're going to go into settings, and let's say we want to change what it looks like. We can change the font, choose any font on your system, how big it is, the color, where you want it aligned. So we'll move it to the message to the middle. And then on the background, we can select a different background image. So I will load up the same image we had before. You can select the audio. Maybe instead of a coach's whistle for this, you want a magic wand sound effect. And you can choose here if you want the timer to be hidden or not hidden. You can also choose if you would like it to have a background or not have a background, and where you'd like the timer to be aligned. You can also check a box to automatically flash the window, which is kind of nice. It sends a big bright flash, which sometimes attracts their attention if they miss the audio cue. So there you go. That is a look at Lock and Key's Iinkling escape room software.